Imagine knowing years in advance if you're at risk for dementia. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, but groundbreaking research from the University of Vermont, UVM, is bringing us closer to this reality. Researchers have identified new blood tests that could predict dementia risk long before memory problems surface. This isn't just a scientific breakthrough, it's a potential game-changer for how we approach brain health. Here's how it works. These blood tests detect tiny amounts of proteins leaked from damaged brain cells, known as biomarkers. Dr. Mary Cushman, co-director of the Vermont Center for Cardiovascular and Brain Health and senior author of the study, explains that these biomarkers can appear years, even decades, before noticeable cognitive decline. This research is incredibly exciting because it empowers people to take control of their brain health early on, Dr. Cushman says. It's about giving them the tools to be proactive participants in their own well-being. But here's where it gets controversial. While the idea of early detection is promising, some critics argue that knowing your dementia risk years in advance could lead to unnecessary anxiety or even discrimination. Is it ethical to provide such information when there's still no cure for dementia? Dr. Cushman counters that knowledge is power. If people know their risk, they can make lifestyle changes to reduce it, like staying physically active, cutting back on alcohol, and managing blood pressure. If your systolic blood pressure is above 140, talk to your doctor about lowering it, she advises. Simple medications can make a huge difference in preventing dementia. And this is the part most people miss. These blood tests aren't just about predicting risk, they're about shifting the narrative from inevitability to prevention. Earlier this year, the FDA approved a blood test for Alzheimer's diagnosis, but it's only for older adults already showing symptoms. UVM's research, however, aims to identify risk much earlier, potentially revolutionizing how we tackle dementia. With dementia rates on the rise, the need for fast, reliable predictive tests has never been more urgent. UVM's findings, published in Neurology, the Journal of the American Academy of Neurology, mark a significant step forward. But the tests aren't available yet, research is still ongoing. What do you think? Would you want to know your dementia risk years in advance, even if there's no cure? Share your thoughts in the comments below.